I hope all things are fine. On our last class, we have learned about the tag question of imperative sentence. Today, I am going to discuss about the tag question of assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? This sentence which exposes any kind of explanation is called assertive sentence. If you want to do the tag question of assertive sentence, you should bear in mind two approaches. I have written two approaches here. If this sentence is positive, tag is negative. On reverse, if this sentence is negative, tag is positive. Here I have written the structure of the tag question of assertive sentence. In answer, at first you have to put auxiliary verbs. Then if the sentence is positive, you should read negative mode. If the sentence is negative, you should read positive mode. Then join pronoun. You have to join pronoun. Then you have to read sign of interrogative sentence. Variation 1, assertive sentence with be verb. If the assertive sentence belongs to be verb. Here I have put an example. I can swim. It's an assertive sentence and belongs to be verb. Here be verb is can. So if the sentence is positive, tag is negative. Here sentence is positive, tag question will be negative. And answer will be in contraction from. The answer will be here, look at me, cannot. In expanded from, cannot. Contraction from is can't. So answer will be can't. And pronoun is I. Variation 2, if the assertive sentence belongs to main verb. It's a critical thing. Here we need to help do, does, did according to tense. If the tense is present indefinite tense, we have to need do, does. If the tense is past indefinite tense, we need did. Here I have put an example. He goes to school. Goes is a main verb. Subject third person singular number. That's why es has been added there. So we need to put does. Sentence is affirmative mode. Answer will be negative mode. So we need put here does. Doesn't. Pronoun is he. Doesn't he. I have put another example. Canon killed a bird. Canon killed a bird. Here it's past indefinite tense because here is a weak verb and the verb is past from. That's why it's past indefinite tense. So in past indefinite tense, we need to help from did. So sentence is affirmative. Answer will be negative. So did will be negative from, and negative from is didn't. Didn't. Canon. Instead of canon, we have to replace pronoun he. In variation 3, if the sentence begins with subject somebody, everybody, everyone, nobody, none, no one belong to this sentence, subject will be they. Before they, we have to put auxiliary verb. For example, everybody likes mango. Everybody likes mango. This sentence belongs to main verb. So we need to help from do, does, did. Verb is in base form, and after verb s has been added. But here instead of everybody, subject will be they. They don't prefer does. They always prefer do. So answer will be don't And instead of everybody, they. There are few words in grammatical poem that always indicates the negative mood. Here I have written few adverbs, few, little, seldom, scarcely, hardly. These are always indicates negative mood. If this kind of word is in any sentence, this sentence will be negative mood. A barking dog seldom bites. Here verb is bites. Base from and s has been added. That's why we need to put does. And sentence is negative mood, answer will be affirmative mood. A barking dog, instead of barking dog, we should write pronoun it. So, dear student, I am optimistic that you have got your point, the tag question of assertive sentence. So, take care of you. I will arrive another day with another topic. Thank you. Goodbye.